Hi, my name is Bimal. I am the founder of Gutsphere. Let me ask you a question. How long does it really take to change your gut? Some people swear you can reset it in a weekend cleanse. Others talk about 30-day challenges. And some say it takes years of slow work. So, who is right? Here is the surprising truth. Your gut can change in 24 hours, 7 days, 3 months, and over a lifetime. Each of those time frames tells a different part of the story. Today, I will walk you through what happens in each phase, why it matters, and how you can use it to your advantage. Let's start with the fastest changes. Your gut is like a switchboard. The moment you eat, trillions of microbes get a new signal. Imagine this. Tonight, you swap your usual meat and cheese dinner for a bowl of lentils and veggies. By tomorrow morning, your gut bugs are already acting differently. Certain bacteria light up, starting fermenting fibers and produce new chemicals like short-chain fatty acids. Other bacteria quiet down. That's why after just one meal, you feel gassy, notice your stool is softer or harder, or even feel a sudden burst of energy or fatigue. Researchers have shown that microbial activity can shift in under 24 hours. But here is the catch. That's activity, not identity. It's like your gut had a mood swing, not a personality transplant. The system reacts fast, but it doesn't rebuild itself overnight. So yes, one day of change can spark real effects, but lasting transformation, that takes more time. Now let's zoom out to a week or two. Stick with that new diet for 7 days straight, and your gut starts stabilizing. It's no longer just reacting to one meal, it's adjusting to a new normal. This is the phase where many people first feel a difference. Less bloating, more regular bowel movements, a calmer stomach. Some even report lighter mood and sharper energy. Why does this happen? Because consistency matters. Beneficial bacteria keeps getting fed, so they multiply a little more each day. They produce more butyrate, a compound that strengthens your gut lining and calms inflammation. Meanwhile, irritating microbes shrink. We see this in studies with probiotics, Mediterranean diets, and low FODMAP plants. By 7 to 14 days, stool chemistry, gas production, and even pain markers start to change measurably. But here is the problem. This phase is fragile. 1 week of change doesn't guarantee resilience. Go back to your old habits and the gut often swings right back. So, if 1 week brings symptom relief, when do we actually see something more permanent? This is where the deeper magic happens. 3 months. Why 3 months? Because that's long enough for the gut to remodel, not just react. After 12 weeks of consistent change, whether it's a Mediterranean diet, fiber increase, or medical nutrition therapy like low FODMAP, the microbiome starts shifting in composition. Not just which microbes are active, but which microbes actually grow in number. It's like remodeling a house. The 24-hour shifts are like moving furniture around. The 7-day shifts are like repainting the walls. But 3 months, that's knocking down walls and rebuilding. The gut lining also goes through cycles of renewal. Cells in the intestine turn over every few days, but it takes weeks for barrier integrity to really repair. By 3 months, that barrier is stronger. The immune system has retrained. Inflammation can calm down. That's why many clinical trials set 12 weeks as their endpoint. It's enough time to capture meaningful, durable shifts. And patients often notice less pain, fewer flares, more predictable digestion. Let's be clear, even at this stage, the gut isn't bulletproof. It's stronger, but still vulnerable. So, what happens if you stay the course even longer? This is the long game, the difference between change and resilience. 1 year of consistent habits doesn't just change your gut, it trains it. The microbiome becomes more resilient. That means it can handle stress, travel, or the occasional junk meal without collapsing. Think of it like a fitness. Go to the gym for a week, you will feel sore. Train for 3 months, and you will look different. Train for a year, you have built a new baseline. Long-term gut health shows up in ways you may not expect. Better metabolic markers, blood sugar, cholesterol, weight regulation, a more balanced immune system, even measurable shifts in mental health, because the gut and brain are deeply connected. But here is the truth, the gut is never done. It's dynamic, always listening to what you eat, how you sleep, how you move, and how you handle stress. Antibiotics, infections, major stress, or jet lag can still shake up. That's normal. The difference is a trained, resilient gut bounces back faster. So let's pull it all together. How long does it take to change your gut? One day, microbes shift their activity. 1 week, symptoms often improve. The ecosystem starts to remodel. And 1 year and beyond, resilience builds. The gut isn't a machine you fix once. It's an ecosystem, alive, adaptable, always changing with you. So here is my challenge to you. Pick one gut-friendly habit. Maybe it's adding a serving of fiber. Maybe it's cutting late-night stress. Maybe it's going to bed on time. Do it for 7 days. Track what happens. Notice how your body responds. Then build from there. Because the real question isn't just how long does it take to change your gut. The real question is, how long are you willing to care for it? And if you want a tool to help you track and personalize your journey, check out the Gutsphere app. It's built to be your co-pilot, day by day, week by week, year by year. And please subscribe to get more about gut health and gastrointestinal health. Please share this with your friends and family because they need this as well. Thank you and see you in the next video.